Okay, please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Joanna May Inson. I am 26 years old. I have 2 children and I am high school graduate.
Okay, do you have any experience as domestic helper?
I work in UAE in 2 years and 2 months and I serve 5 members of the family, 2 elderly, 2 adults and 1 baby.
Okay, can you tell us about your duties and responsibilities in your previous employer?
Taking care of their baby, washing clothes, cooking of foods, cleaning the house, and care of pets.
Okay, you have mentioned that you have experience in taking care of baby in your previous employer. Can you tell us how will you take care of their baby?
Give her a foods, give her a vitamins and milk, taking a bath, change her clothes and diapers, and play with her.
How about taking care of elderly? Do you have any experience?
No sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay, can you give us some of your skills?
Some of my skills, sir, is cooking.
Okay, you have said that you know how to cook. Do you have any experience in Chinese cooking?
No sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay, why should the Hong Kong employers hire you?
Because I'm honest, sir, and hardworking.
Anything else you want to tell to your future employer in Hong Kong?
All prospective employers in Hong Kong, please choose me, and I will promise that I will do my best to my responsibility and my duties, and I will respect your family. I will love your children as my own. Thank you.
Okay, thank you and good luck.